YouTube. So Paul Bates here, and Daisy. Don't forget about Daisy Duke. She's been a trooper through this whole thing. She's going to suffer a little when I go do this foot surgery, but she'll be all right. She'll survive. Anyway, markets up big. You know, the NASDAQ and everything, it's up huge. Crypto's up big. I bought Ethereum yesterday and XRP. I put 600 in Ethereum and 200 in XRP. Keto, I fasted all the way till noon, so I'm well into the ketosis right now. Do some more fasting next week, you know, for like another 40-hour fast. Daisy did get to go for her long walk. That's always good. She loves to do it. And before I get started here, a couple things. One is, yesterday we worked on a crypto video, so I want you guys to go over to that channel, watch it if you're interested. If you're not, it really is no big deal. I need you to like and subscribe, and give me your comments. I want to hear your comments for my daily blogs. Anyway, also yesterday, I only had a few minutes. I was very, very busy yesterday because I'm trying to get the house all straightened up before I go into this foot surgery. But I did look at a few dinghies. I'll share them with you in the next couple of days when I jump on my yacht or my trawler. Anyway, with that being said, go to I'll leave the link for the video I did yesterday on for Paul financial education on the cryptos, and then I took a trip over to Lowe's and we got some paint. You can see right here painting some walls in the bedroom in the back. It's just walls that needed a little bit of texture work or something, and so I'm finishing up. And today I think I'm going to finish up the inside of the house, and then tomorrow I have the mud room to do, and it should be pretty much done. So also you can see here the garden, man, it's just growing like weeds. I think I planted them too close together, but I'm learning. So, but you can see here, like literally as the sun hits these things, you can almost see them grow, and you can see them grow by the day. It's just huge. So, and then another big day for folded metal, and we sold just all kinds of radio brackets. I think we sold a total of 4 yesterday. Just unbelievable. I just want to thank you guys. It's just incredible. These UV5 radio brackets are just, you know, it was a home run. That's all I can say. So we're also finishing up another project here, working with a couple of people down in California to have us build these things. And we're going to start actually shipping them, and you'll see them on the website here in the next day or so. It's the door for the RZR. So also, I had a very long discussion yesterday with the guy that actually got me into cryptos. He doesn't even know he got me into cryptos, but he did. And, you know, I really wanted to just reach out and thank him and tell him, you know, that, you know, it was awesome to talk to him. It really was, and get his perspective on where the cryptos are going and stuff like that. So I'm going to finish the video up by telling you, I mean, anybody that gets involved in the blockchain, you know, you see Dan Pana right now, he's just going freaking nuts. And you hear this expression more all the time, you know, be the biggest transfer of wealth in the history of the world. And it's all over this blockchain. And when you're looking at these cryptos, it's not really, I hate it when they use the word cryptocurrency. I just hate that. It's really about the blockchain technology, what it can do for us, what it's going to do for us, and how it's going to transform the whole world, not just us. And you know, the people that get in early, I mean, they're going to be rewarded handsomely. That's all I can tell you. I mean, you're in or you're out. It's like, you know, buying property in Vegas. You know, when my parents could have bought a property on the Strip there for $8,000, you know, 30 years ago. So did they do it? No. Could have they done it? Yes. Would have they been millionaires today? Yes. Same thing with the cryptos. Anyway, Paul Bates, Daisy. Don't forget about Daisy Duke here. We love you guys. Peace out. Be safe out there and try and be good. Or at least if you're not good, be good at it. Thanks. Bye.